Discover Manufacturing is a group of employers that have come together to work on the talent issues in West Michigan. It's our belief that the stronger the talent is in the West Michigan region, the more opportunity not only the businesses will have, but the employees in this area will have to thrive as well. It's an opportunity to build relationships, to expose students to new technology and ideas, and to really convey all of the opportunity that they will see when they come out of their either high school or college program. Manufacturing Week is an opportunity for students to come and see what's going on, so to say, behind the doors of a manufacturing operation. It's an exciting experience for students to see the different opportunities, and it's an exciting experience for the manufacturer to showcase their proud work that they do.
The value is just getting out of the classroom, seeing those vocabulary words that we talk about, seeing those in real life, seeing professionals, seeing people in the various jobs, and just seeing opportunities that they have for their futures.
What I'm seeing here today is allowing the students to experience what real life is like in the manufacturing field today, especially in advanced manufacturing, and the sky's the limit.
I think that seeing all these different companies in action has influenced my decisions for the future even more, because it's shown me like what opportunities I have. It's not just some abstract thing of thinking maybe I can work here and do this one day. I don't know. You know, it's actually showing that if I go to school for engineering management, I would actually be able to apply it in these companies.
Yeah, it's pretty eye-opening to like go through the factories and just see the different aspects of it, like going raw materials into actual products and being able to like sell that.
I think the students have really enjoyed their day so far. It was great being able to go visit 4 different plants.
My favorite part was probably a shape, just getting to talk to each of the individual workers and then explaining what they were working on specifically.
There are many organizations involved. One of the benefits of hosting a Manufacturing Week experience is that students start to understand the opportunities that are available in our West Michigan community. One of the most unique aspects of having students come into your facility is to have your employees be able to share what they find fun and exciting in their day-to-day work. Students can feed off that energy, but the employee really receives the gift because they understand how important and beneficial what they do on a day-to-day basis is. For other employers to get involved, I think one of the best things to do is simply try. To start small, have a small event, or partner with another organization that's participated in the past.
I think that this program has been great in reducing the stigma around manufacturing, because I think that when a lot of kids think about manufacturing and shop jobs, they kind of get a sweatshop sort of image in their head, like, okay, long hours, dirty, repetitive, unintelligent work. But you know, going through all these manufacturing places, you see that that's not the case. And there's actually a lot of benefits to working in the manufacturing industry that people don't know about.
When students walk through our facilities, they see that they're clean, they're bright, they're organized, and highly efficient. And the students enjoy the opportunity to participate in a workforce that focuses on those activities.